Previously on Blud Bruvvas. AFTV lost their first game and Scully lost it.
Half of you won't play, and I'm being f***ing honest, mate.
Everyone's all over the place. It's just a matter of building chemistry now.
The new players were not getting on.
Talk on the pitch, G.
I'm talking now, bro.
Can play every position.
I'm here to take every striker's place.
Always good to get tips off the big man.
At last.
But AFTV got their first win. And they're going to need to keep this up if they want to be competitive in the Blud Bruvvas League against their rivals and win the Blud Bruvvas Cup. This is AFTV's Preseason. AFTV take on Investec.
My name is Abdul. As you all know, I play for Arsenal Fan TV as a left winger. I'm quick, flair, and no defender can touch me.
My name's Amas Khan, left wing or right wing. Troops calls me Neymar, fans call me Asensio. This is the comeback.
I'm Sammy, I'm a left back and midfielder for Arsenal Fan TV. If I could sum myself up in 3 words, I would say humble, hardworking and passionate.
Sammy cuts in, 1-0, very nice. Here's Don Robbie checking in on his team.
He's not scored, see if he can score. Because people don't look at how good forwards are, they look at stats. And that's it.
Pitch is terrible, man.
Yeah, it's a long way from Leicester, isn't it?
You know what I mean? That's it. Remember the other days at the King Power I said, you lot enjoy this.
King Power, eh, Robbie?
Beat your team. When's your dead team come? And I hope you're playing, man. If you're playing, I'm going to play.
Who's playing?
No, because
you can just about go to a game without moaning about your back.
No, but you don't move. You don't move, man. Just stood on the pitch. Did you see him? My man stood on the pitch, he didn't move.
Play the ball to
What
think.
did you do in that game?
Shut up, Robbie. Shut up. Stop being a dick. Go.
That's right, Blud Bruvvas went to Leicester, but we won't speak about that just yet.
Oh man, let's have some goals in this half, yeah?
You heard the boss. Go and get some goals, boys. Aberdeen into Broads. Lays it off for Adam.
My name's Adam, 19 years old, and I'm the nutmeg king.
Oh, what a volley.
Hi, I'm Jason, I'm a loving, caring person.
I am an attacking midfielder and I'm YouTube Leo DiCaprio.
Jason gets another before Broad gets himself a hat-trick. Now, if you thought the pitch was bad enough to score on, try scoring when you've got a local farm invading the pitch. It's a bloody horse. Alright, bruv, we're trying to have a game here.
Did you see that horse?
And a dog. Ade looks unimpressed. And another. Watch your hands, Nash. The boys continue to put the goals away, racking up an impressive goal count. That's 2 wins in a row.
I serve you right, man. Oh, you're a dog here. What are you stroking him? Huh?
I said that was never me, you know.
Meanwhile, newly formed team GRM Daily are also training. They soon find out that team chemistry is also hard to come by, as music artist Kirky is not seeing eye to eye with Jay and Randy.
Hey Blues, get off the pitch, man. What are you doing? No, you're on the sidelines.
You can play. It's easier to play 10 touches than 2.
So
when it comes to a match and 6 guys are playing 10
Wait.
touches,
It's easier. It's always. If you don't know how to play football, or you're just learning.
So
or whatever,
what do
you're always going to be more comfortable taking more touches.
You watch. But
you can't get the basics right.
You watch football.
I mean, just stick the ball in the back of the net, lads. Simple. So Robbie and AFTV are on a winning run and have decided to add another member to their coaching staff. Ty. Ty is the most positive Arsenal fan you will ever meet. Will stick up for his team no matter what, even if they had a shocker.
Things can happen. Remember, we mustn't forget that it's been raining, so the pitch is quite...
It's been raining?
Yeah.
Are you being serious? It's raining for both teams.
And his partner in crime, Claude. These two have been bickering for years.
Get real! Get f***ing real! Absolute rubbish! It's time to go!
Don't interrupt me.
I will interrupt. It's not Ski Sunday. What's all this about? Ski Sunday!
But they can't be without each other.
As I said, I'm off to 10 back 2. I want more than that!
So do I.
Yeah, anyway.
And Claude is always having to put up with Ty arguing with Spurs fans.
He's a typical Tottenham fan. He needs Zimmer friends for 22 years.
How long? 22 years. 22 years. He ain't giving up, is he?
He's a typical AFTV man, isn't he? Look.
He's not arguing still, is he?
But when I think of Tottenham, I can't help but laugh.
Ty!
I could do this all day. Why?
It's a nice little place here, Ty, isn't it?
It is nice. I prefer to be a player squad manager, if that's possible, because I still think I can contribute something. I like to think I'm in okay shape. So, but obviously, whatever role is given, I'll take. You know. And I think the team is very, very good. It'd be very, very difficult to break into the team. But you know.
Back to AFTV training. Broad seems to not be a fan of ex-AFTV manager DT.
Experienced head, do you know what I mean? I think if we had DT, we would have went all crumble in it, but yeah, man, you know.
I don't waffle.
Nah, you don't waffle, man. You know what I mean? You're an honest man. You know, you do things the right way.
So Broads and DT don't get on, eh?
Oh, steady, bro. What are you talking about me? Yeah. Bro, shut up, man. Straight, man. What do you mean straight, bro? You can't even look at me, bro.
I'm looking at you straight, man. What are you going to do? What are you going to do?
What am I going to do, bro?
Move away, man. Move. Because I'll walk you out the door. I'll walk you out the door, man.
DT, I don't know him, but again, man.
Let's go.
It's nicking the living. That's what you call nicking the living, man.
All I'm saying is, you want to beat DT, you better train hard.
DTFC, you better beat them. I'm more worried about what I'm gonna eat. Do you know what I mean? Rather than if we're gonna beat DT. Like, this guy clearly doesn't know enough about football, so it's calm, man. I can't lie.
I'm not worried in the slightest, man. I think everything's in place, and there were some that really stood out. Defensively, that's what I'm happy about, because some of the most comfortable were defensively, and I think that's such a key area, and that's where AFTV are weak.
DT has also been clashing with his rival Flex over at the United stand.
Look, come up with it's right here. Look, the laptop's there. It's all on. It's all on. 2011 it's all laptop. Move your dead laptop, mate. The tunes. Whoa. You need to get the tunes go way further back than that, mate. I'll kill you.
Things are heating up. The next team that AFTV are playing is Grenfell Athletic. The Grenfell tragedy occurred 2 years ago in London, and it changed so many lives.
Grenfell Athletic was formed in August 2017 following the tragic fire. For a number of days, you could smell the smoke. The tower was still on fire, it didn't stop.
Fire!
All over the news, every channel you put on, this was the main event, and you remember everything. You remember the feeling, you remember the sounds, the smells. It's kind of hard to believe, because this was your manor, this was your area. That first emotion is still there. The feeling of pain and suffering, trying to empathise with people that had actually lost loved ones in the tower. it's all pretty painful, and for many of us we're still here, and for many of us it will never go away. There was a person from the tower who came to me, and I asked him what got him through these difficult days, these difficult times. You know, how could I help? How could I support? And he said that he's had low points in his life before. What got him through it? Football. Okay, so we're going to start a football team. Our players have been through so much in and around what took place with the tower, but outside of that as well. Just life experiences, like when you're raised in certain conditions. I know that starting something like this can really change lives. It's more than just a football team, it's a family, it's a band of brothers that have united to come together. Myself and the backroom staff offer as much support to them as possible, as much as we can. And we make it work because of where we're from.
It's game day. Claude's arriving. Aberdeen is here.
Aberdeen! Yeah, pretty confident. We're buzzing today. I think the lads are all ready for it. It's a nice day as well, to be honest. It's with a touch of sun, but the breeze is coming in and it's nice. So hopefully there's no excuses from AFTV about the weather and all that.
I think he's talking about you, Ty.
It's been raining, so we can say we're a winning team now because we've done the double. This season we won the league, so we've been promoted, and we won the League Cup. And yeah, I think these are the moments where it's time to put the team on the map.
Just get the ball down and play. Enjoy it, chaps. If we're enjoying it, we're playing well. Just get it down and play. We've started playing together now, so we've sort of got a structure. So we need to get it down. We need to work back in. Just keep possession of the ball. When they've got the ball, chaps, get back in our fours, 2 fours in front, and just defend. Just keep our shape. Yeah. Ryan, be a leader. Only thing I say about you, Ryan, is you're talking. You've been playing really well, mate. I must admit, you've really pushed on. Just get the ball moving, chaps. Just try and dictate the tempo. Yeah, and stay in the game.
AFTV on 3. 1, 2, 3.
And we have kickoff. Here we go. Oh my God, Ty is a linesman. See, he'll do anything for the team.
Always happy to pitch in. I'll be fair, that's all I can say.
And it didn't take long for Troops and Expressions to show up. Expressions being the Tottenham fan who cheered on AFTV's defeat to the United stand last season, who will not let Ty do his job in peace.
You're not even watching the game.
What's that? If we to do his job at Wembley, and we would have been in the top 4 and you would have been nowhere.
Yeah, Wembley. We're talking about now, Blud. Do yours, Blud. Do yours, Blud. Do yours, Blud.
So I can do this all day, you know that, don't you?
I can do it all day, you know that, fam. Yeah, that's right, Blud.
You're going to sleep in bed then? Yeah? Because I'm here all night.
I don't stop, Blud. I'm like a damn thing of Pringles. Once you pop, you don't stop, Blud. You know them way there, fam. Bruv, all night long like Lionel Richie, Blud, yeah? Remember, I said it, Blud.
This could go on for a while. Abs picked up a loose ball here.
Go on, Abs. Get him, Abs.
Gonna have a drive down the wing.
Go on.
It beats his man.
Stand up! Stand up! Stand up!
Gets past the defender to the byline. Can he cut it back? Ah, it's 1-0. Curtis puts it away. What a goal. What a wonderful goal. Great work by Abs there on the left-hand side. And Curtis, that boy is an absolute predator in front of goal.
Keep the tempo. Keep the tempo.
Nice football here. Hold the ball up nice. Oh, that's a penalty, ref. Come on. That's a penalty. Come on, there's 2 penalties there. What's this referee looking at? 2 clear pens. What's wrong with the geezer? Oh, that's a nice ball. Can he fin? Oh, unlucky. That's a great shot. Roy Delap throwing here. Oh, that's shocking. That is shocking defending. AFTV, that is poor. Equaliser for Grenfell.
Press on him now. Press on him now. Press on him. Sit to me. Hold your position. Vincent, listen. Just hold. Make sure you go throw up. Now go, Keir. Now go, Keir. Now go, Keir. Now go, Keir. Kieran, now go, Keir. Now go, Keir.
Next time on Blood Brothers, can AFTV keep their winning run going?
Hey, Troops got techers, you know.
And how will they do in the anti-knife crime tournament?
The best anti-knife community charity cup 2019.